Hello, Pumno, Namaste, Sastriyakal, Adab, Vanakkam. Welcome to Krang Shuri Waterfalls. Krang Shuri Waterfalls is in Umlārem in Meghalaya. It is located in the Umlārem civil subdivision. If you are travelling from Shillong, it will take around 3 hours to 3.5 hours to reach Krang Shuri. You may also go to the Krang Shuri Waterfalls from Jowai, which is a half-hour's journey across 30 kilometers. Once you reach the parking area of the Krang Shuri Waterfall, you have to walk for 20 to 25 minutes to reach the bottom of the waterfall. To transform the place into a tourist's destination, the district administration has initiated steps to construct chisel and gravel footpaths and viewpoints to enable visitors to better appreciate the beauty from afar. Krang Shuri Waterfalls is a sight that will make you think of the Jungle Book. The footpaths are hewn from the natural multicolored stones available in the area. No cement has been used and stones have been placed symmetrically to enhance the aesthetic appeal of the area. The enchanting burbling sound of the falls kept getting louder as we inched closer. The Krang Shuri Waterfalls are open 24/7, so you may visit the place at your convenience. There is an entry fee of 50 rupees per person to enter the waterfall premises. If you want to go for a swim in the pool, you need to rent life jackets for 100 rupees. Krang Shuri Waterfalls in Meghalaya is one of India's hidden gems. It is one of the most popular and one of the top 5 waterfall in northeast India. On reaching the top of the waterfall, you can see small colorful boats docked alongside the bank of the river. Go boating amidst the dazzling greenery and breathtaking views of this place. Compared to the cliff-hugging plunge falls that you will find in southern Meghalaya, the Krang Shuri Waterfall features a different aesthetic. A placid river suddenly drops, creating a curtain of flowing water that falls over a cave. During the summer, blue, clear waters can be seen at the bottom of the waterfalls, which itself is located in the middle of a thickly forested area. It is the most gorgeous shade of deep, copper sulfate blue. You can take a dip in the magical waters of the greenish blue plunge pool. It looks so tempting that you will not be able to stop yourself from jumping into the pool. Swim up to the rock behind the falls, sit and enjoy the amazing views. There is also a short descent to reach behind the falls for those who don't want to swim. Overnight camping is another outdoor activity here, which is altogether a unique and exhilarating experience. There is only one small restaurant in the vicinity, run by local Khasi women. The best time to visit Krang Shuri would be during late summer, as the rainy season can make the pathway to the waterfall very slippery and dangerous. A least explored place and perfect off-beat destination, and very few tourists venturing here. Krang Shuri Waterfalls is simply breathtaking. Do not miss it if you are anywhere in the Meghalaya. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for.
रुको जरा।
Thank you for sparing your time and watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.